Have you ever come home from a long day to find your favorite pair of shoes relocated to the dog bed? Or maybe you've been nearly knocked over by your dog the second you walk through the door. If your dog drives you crazy sometimes, you are not alone. A massive study from Texas A&M University recently revealed that over 99% of dogs in the US show behaviors that their owners find problematic. But what if I told you that you might be completely misreading your best friend? What if the things that make you want to pull your hair out are actually the deepest, most profound ways your dog is trying to say, "I trust you with my life"? The Great Misunderstanding. When our dogs do something destructive or annoying, our first instinct is to think they are being stubborn, guilty, or even acting out of spite. But dogs don't experience spite. According to a brand new 2025 study from Arizona State University, humans are actually terrible at reading dog emotions. Researchers found that instead of looking at what the dog is actually doing, we look at the situation, like a messy room or a stolen toy, and we project human emotions onto them. We think they are being bad, but in reality, they are just relying on their wild instincts to navigate life in a human house. The laundry thief. Let's talk about the laundry thief. When your dog steals your dirty socks or underwear, it feels like a prank. But to a dog, it's a massive compliment. Dogs experience the world primarily through smell. A 2025 dive into canine behavior explains that human sweat glands release pheromones that dogs find absolutely irresistible. When your dog steals your worn clothes and cuddles with them, or even rolls around on them, they might be acting on an ancient wolf instinct to carry a comforting, important scent back to their pack. Because your scent brings them peace, chewing on a soft, human-scented item gives them a profound sense of emotional security. They steal your stuff because it smells like their favorite thing in the entire world: you. The Velcro dog and the lean. What about when your dog awkwardly leans their entire body weight against your legs? We might find it annoying when we're trying to walk around the kitchen. But remember, dogs don't hug or kiss. In the dog world, leaning is an affiliative behavior used to forge emotional bonds. You are not going to lean all your weight against someone you don't feel safe with. Leaning is your dog's way of giving you a full body hug. And if they sit quietly and stare softly into your eyes, they aren't trying to challenge you. Studies show that this mutual gaze literally spikes oxytocin, the love hormone, in both of your brains. It's the exact same chemical loop that bonds a human mother to her baby. The crazy Zoomies and rough housing. Then there are the Zoomies, when your dog suddenly tucks their tail and runs around the house like an absolute maniac. While it looks like wild disobedience, animal behaviorists confirm that Zoomies are actually a massive explosion of positive emotion. Your dog feels so incredibly safe and joyful in your home that they completely let their guard down to celebrate. And what about when they want to roughhouse or gently mouth your hands? While it looks like aggression, renowned experts have found that cooperative play fighting requires an incredible amount of mutual trust. By wrestling with you and using a soft mouth, your dog is actively holding back their jaw strength. They are proving that they trust you to know it's just a game, and they are treating you like a respected, cherished pack member. The ultimate bond. So, the next time your dog acts a little crazy, steals your shoe, or refuses to leave your side, take a step back. A fascinating 2025 study from Eötvös Loránd University in Budapest revealed that the bond we share with our dogs is unlike anything else in nature. It uniquely combines the absolute best parts of a best friendship and a parent-child relationship. Your dog isn't trying to be naughty. They are just trying to navigate a human world using dog instincts, pouring all of their love, vulnerability, and trust into you. If you learned something new about your furry best friend today, hit that like button, subscribe for more pet psychology, and give your dog a big, loving lean for us. Thanks for watching.